guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY.com. So thank you so much, Sams, for sending over this new unit. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. Now let's go ahead and get into this new wig. This is by a new company I've never tried before. This company is called Style Plus. It's a 100% human hair mix. It's a cross lace wig, and this wig is called Style Curly, and it is in a number 2. The unit looks like it's definitely long. Let's take a look at the cap construction. It is one of those Vixen style wigs that has 4 different sections for the wig, so you can style it accordingly. It does come with baby hairs. Okay, the parting space looks decent. The hairline is cool. So it does have 2 combs in the back, 2 combs at the top, and 2 adjustable straps as well. So the hair is parted out into the sections. It looks like it's a nice, like, wavy, a wavy unit. I wouldn't necessarily call it like super curly, but it's definitely wavy. All right, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and go ahead and pop this unit on. If you like my head wrap today, it is available on my site, gleemade.com. They are on sale, and you can also use the code Dragoness to save you a little bit more money. So this is the wig on. I definitely love this unit. It's really, really pretty. This is in the color number 2. I feel like it's a little dark for a number 2. Or maybe I'm just used to wearing lighter color hair now because I always wear number 4, seems to be lately. But I definitely like this unit. It comes with a bunch of baby hairs on it, but I really don't think it's necessary to lay them down or anything. It looks good without them laid down. So I like how this unit looks. This unit, it has a lot of volume, but it's not super duper thick, which I like. Yeah, I think this unit is super cute. I think it'll be dope for the summer. I like the curl pattern on it. It's long. It's definitely long. I think it's about 26 inches. All to the front, I feel like it's kind of a lot, but to the back, it's cute. This one is by Style Plus. It's the cross part lace wig in Style Curly in a number 2. And you definitely can find this one on Sam's Beauty. Definitely check them out because this one's cute. I like it. I think she would even be cute cut shorter. Maybe like a little cropped bob situation would be cute. That would be really cute too. I like it. So yeah, you guys, if you have questions, definitely leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well at JessTheDragoness with 3 S's at the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.